Price of 2 pen and 1 pencil is 20 and price of 3 pen and 4 pencil is 35. Find out the price of pen and pencil. Let's assume the price of pen as x and pencil as y. So the first equation becomes 2x plus y is equal to 20. The second equation becomes 3x plus 4y is equal to 35. Okay. Now, if we multiply the first equation by 4, you will have 4 2s are 8x plus 4y is equal to 80 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 35. Okay. If we subtract this now, 4y will get cancelled out. 8x minus 3x, that is 5x, is equal to 45. So x comes out as 9. Now, if we substitute x as 9 in any of the equations, let's say this one. So 9 3s are 27 plus 4y is equal to 35. So therefore 4y is equal to 8. Therefore y is equal to 2. So the answer becomes pen is 9 rupees, pencil is 2 rupees, option A.